Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about how to determine the model number for your Trion air cleaner. Now, this one happens to be a Trion HE Plus 1400. It's on the door. If your door does not have that here, sometimes on the back side of the door, there's a sticker, and this one happens to say HE Plus 20 by 20. That's the size of the cabinet here, not counting this power box. AFS. The AFS means it has an airflow sensor. The important thing is that it's an HE Plus 20 by 20. Now, this one has collector cells in it because it's an electronic air cleaner. If your electronic air cleaner has been converted to using pleated filter media, then you won't have the collector cells in here. You also will not have these two pre-filters. Instead, you'll have this slid inside of here. And what this is a 20 by 20 by 5 air barrier filter media. It fits perfectly inside of this cabinet. If you happen to have an air barrier air cleaner, which means it's going to look just like this, minus these items that are inserted inside, it will also not have this power box on top. So it'll be from here down, look just like what you have, minus this stuff. The door, of course, will be a little shorter, and it will say like Trion air barrier on it. And inside of it will be a filter like this. Again, this one happens to be a 20 by 20 by 5. The most common size for an air barrier happens to be 20 by 25 by 5. But our demo unit here, we happen to use the 20 by 20 by 5. It's available in multiple sizes, so pay attention to that. This is important that you order the right filter for your air barrier cleaner. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.